I'm going to quickly show you 3 ways to delete pages on Microsoft Word. In this document, I want to delete this page over here. First, click the bottom left where it mentions the page count. This should open up an overview of all the pages in the document. Now click on the page that you want to delete. This would select that page. Once the page is selected, press both the Control key and G at the same time. This should open up a pop-up like so. In the box where it's asking you to enter page number, type /page. Then press enter and close the pop-up. This should have selected everything in that page. Now press the delete key or the backspace key if you don't have a delete key. This should have removed that page from the document. If you have a blank page that you want to get rid of at the end of your document, click on the page you want to delete on the navigation tab, then press backspace once or twice. This should have deleted the blank page. You can also try clicking on this button to show hidden formats. With that turned on, we can now see that the reason why there is a blank page in this case is because there is a page break here. To delete the page, select it and press backspace. That should have deleted the extra page. Click on that icon again to hide page formats.